Man, we are here going to a store that I would love to be at. Guess where we are?
This one? What's this?
RadioShack. He shooters kiss now.
That's a cool scarf.
Oh my. Oh my.
What was next to it?
I don't know. RadioShack. Pea shoes. I don't even know that either. I did that, but I couldn't find what it was. It's literally, I think that was probably RadioShack too. Designer for less. Oh, they closed that up too. So they left. Come in, we're open. What do you mean, come in, we're open?
Oh, look at Burlington Coat Factory's gonna be the best scarf.
I think they're closed every day, kids. Can I get out right here, Mom?
Yep.
So we have returned to the abandoned Burlington Coat Factory. I'll meet you at the Dollar Tree. There's the, that says, does that even, I don't know what that says. It says like men's. Those, I think those are all abandoned too. Okay, we got this. Yeah, go. I'm here at Burlington Coat Factory to return here. Look at what they left inside. Okay, so you see my reflection. Sup, everybody? This is not what you see every day. Abandoned Burlington. This is not what you see every day. And I'm lucky that I have one. And we're actually doing an abandoned McDonald's and Burger King, but stay tuned for those. You don't see those every day either. Trying to get my stupid coat on before I go to Dollar Tree. Because my brother wanted to stop at Dollar Tree. For a second, I thought they said Rent-A-Center. Oh yeah, that is Rent-A-Center, but we'll try. Nope. Nope. How about these? Nope. Nope. What? I'm here. Where are you going? I'm not scaring you. Dude, I'm not scaring you. Wow, they had these too. Oh, wow. They left those inside. They left these things. This closed in 2018. It's been sitting vacant ever since. Franklin Middle School. Don't tell me about Franklin. Nobody even parks at this Burlington. The front doors are locked. Nah, there's no way I can get in there. Yep. No way how. They literally boarded up all the doors there. This is a huge... Okay, we've got this. What is this? Nope. Nope. If you look right there, there's a shopping cart. It's kind of weird, but funny. What was this? This was hair cutters. This, I don't know. Nope. Nope. You can't get it. I think this was... This looks like... I don't know. I'm coming! You can see my reflection. Sup? Nope. Nope. Now this is destroyed. I think they literally just tore those out. The people that They didn't like anything. They left those inside. They wanted to do that. I don't even know what they did with those. Nope. Nope. This right here, this is a Diamond's Buffet restaurant. They left the signs there. They left that here. 24. Let's see. Nope. But maybe we can get a peek inside. Yeah, this is definitely destroyed. But here we are at Super Dollar Tree. I've actually never been to a Super Dollar Tree. That's the first for me. Okay. Super Dollar Tree. I know. Look, I've never even been in a Super Dollar Tree, so this is a first for me. Why?
Because I need to get like 3 of the same color tree. You want to do like?
Why? I have to?
Yeah, for your presents this year.
I know. Okay. I don't know. You can pick. But here we are at this good-looking Super Dollar Tree. I've literally never been into a Super Dollar Tree. Looks like Dollar Trees, but they're different. This is the largest discount store, I believe. Brain teaser, thanks. Oh, we're here. Yes. Launcher. Wait, those are cool.
Oh, my mermaid's gonna play.
What you doing, bro? Recording?
Yeah.
Well, you big ass.
Oh my God. Hi. Hi.
Alright, which one, bud?
Creative characters. I did the Burlington again. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. You're Donald Trump. You look like Minnie. Bad Minnie. Pluto, the door planet. Baseball head. Nemo. Nemo Marlin. Dory. Dorothy. Bruce Springsteen. Elastic Heart. Violet. No. Bobby. Bob Incredible. No Mickey Mouse. Marlin. How about Sterling Marlin? Ubisoft. How about Sterling Marlin? Haha. Really funny, huh? They don't even have a lot. What are these cars? Dude. We in a... I can't wait to get some food at McDonald's. Aren't you? Are you waiting for food at McDonald's? Let's get some food. Get it? Nobody else has filmed the Burlington Coat Factory, so that's a first. And if the H.H. Gregg in Niles, Illinois is still there, nobody else has ever filmed that. Abandoned. And I'll probably be the first one. If it's still there, I might do it. Nobody else has filmed any of these at this town and country shopping center. Nobody's filmed the RadioShack. Nobody's filmed the Burlington. Nobody's filmed any of these abandoned stores. I'm the only one who's actually done it. I'm the one who does it. I'm the one who actually started it. And we will be going to see more abandoned stores today. We return to this shopping center with the abandoned Burlington Coat Factory, RadioShack, and others I don't want to talk about because it's boring. The U-Rock wall, I don't think so. Give me a break. This is really cool. And we're not here to take anything, because I'm not taking anything. Look at how many there are. There's only four things. Look at those. Look at those. They're. Look at them dancing. Look, Mason. Look at those balloons dancing. Oh my God. This is funny. This is kind of weird. How are they dancing? Oh my God. Okay. I want to see that year one. I'm trying to find the year one that I had for my birthday. Oh, this is kind of fun. And I'm not vandalizing. We put it right back where we found it. They were there, so that's fine. We're not here to touch anything, and we're not here to take anything. We're only here to look around. There's the City Trends. City Trends was the old MC Sports. As I research. I did research. There's the state of Illinois. RadioShack and some. There's the old label scarf for Burlington. Looks cool. Hey, can I be waiting outside? Why?
Because we're all in here together. Here,
But
what paper did you want to
I don't really want any.
Well, then I'm not going to be able to wrap your present.
Just take this.
No.
You can have
You want to
this.
do Snoopy?
Yeah, just take these two and one more.
Okay, you got to get at least 2 for yours. You want Snoopy this
Yeah.
year? Okay, go be Snoopy.
Mason? Mason, what do you want? What do you want? Those are abandoned too, but
You can Mason be red Snoopy.
yeah, he can. I know. That Hy-Vee over there. That Hy-Vee. I am suspicious that was a Kmart. That looks like a Kmart. Old school Kmart. That gas station looked like it was a Kmart Express before. And if you actually are wondering, yes, that Hy-Vee was actually a Kmart. Kmart closed in 2003, and then they demolished that for a Hy-Vee. Then Hy-Vee came in 2014, and then in 2000 something. What 2000? 2000, I don't know. 2000 something, I don't know. I'm sorry, I really don't know. Like 2000 something. 2003. It got demolished. No, I don't know what year it got demolished. And before that, before it was a Kmart, I'm also highly suspicious. It's a defunct company that was bought out by Ames department stores. It's Sayre. Sayre was actually there first. I think it was the first one. Sayre was there when my mom was a kid. My mom was actually born here in Springfield. They had the Toys R Us, which is now Big Lots. She went to that one as a kid. There was also Kids R Us there. My grandma, my mom's parents, my mom's mom, which is my grandmother, my mom's mom worked at Kids R Us. Yeah, she worked at Kids R Us. My grandma, yes, she worked at Kids R Us, and then after Kids R Us closed, she stayed there when it was Babies R Us. And then Babies R Us and Toys R Us closed, and then she decided to retire. Yeah. Oh, I think I just... Okay.